Alright, give us the downstairs tour. This is Bo, by the way.
Hello. We got our living room. Got some Fortnite up tonight. We got a.
I didn't bring my Xbox.
I have an Xbox. This light switch is supposed to be on, but you actually turn it on the opposite way.
Wow.
Because our uncle.
That was unimportant. This is lovely.
Keep it street right now. You burning, bitch? Real shit. You burning? Okay. What do you think Barry looked like?
It's like, nah, I wasn't even about to try to get.
Oh, tell me why Spence just pulled up a picture of Sheen. Talk about you look like Sheen off of Jimmy Neutron.
Like Carl, bitch.
Yo.
You really are on the box of Lucky Charms, though.
Fuck you so hard, you can't even walk, nigga. Soaking on that dick till I pass out. My nigga give me that till I pass out. My homie let me smash now.
Oh! What are you about to do? Yo!
Hold on.
Back it up! Oh! Back it up! Back it up!
I'm not doing it.
He's doing a dive roll. The worst dive roll, though. Yeah, live stream right now. Did you see how he ran away? You gotta see the video.
Oh my.
Alright, it's going. We're going. We're live, bro. Hey.
Keep moving weight, he always got the packing. I got another, he just got an eye for fashion. I can't forget about my brother from the six, so no, I never switch up on my nigga right off nigga road.
What's up? We have to send it back. How's it going?
Hey!
Person. You want the cars and the purses, baby girl, tell me it's a I'm in a spaceship, get ready for takeoff. Can't fuck with little shorty, I know that she basic. She making my dick soft. These niggas here said I wouldn't make it. I shot with a new floss. I got this girl in the room getting naked. She fought with a real boss. When my gang walk in, it's lit. Legit, give her the D, then she dismissed. No kiss, you test me, then you getting hit. Little bitch, I take my shot and I don't miss. My diamond's pissed. And girl, that's funny, cause I know you. You just come around and make a name. Girl, I know you gon' tell me that you different and you changed. But I know you are everything you say you ain't. You tried to take me down, I left you in the rain. Look, I know you just wanna fuck me for my fame. Girl, don't you?
Guys, welcome to the end of the video. I hope you guys all have enjoyed. This has basically been like a little edit of what I've been doing the past couple months. And yeah, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next video.